Yeah, welcome guys to this new stream. Welcome, Mr. Maxi, what's up? Glad to see you here. Very nice. Yeah, today we do, let me start that. As I said in the last stream, I refactored a lot of the code and yeah, everything still works in the way it should. And yeah, I mean, I made a flashlight now that you can turn off and on and off, which is pretty cool, I guess. And like the model is still like weird, but yeah, I think pretty cool. Here, light reflection, which is like, yeah, fong shading. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I refactored all of the code, and now what we want to do is really working on a renderer, and this is very hard. And yeah, no. One thing that we're going to do before that is making a GitHub repository for the game. I can document this process if you want. I'm done. Where do I make a new repository? What the fuck? Wasn't there a button here? Oh no, I'm dumb because I am not signed in. Okay. Coco Cry, yeah. Okay, nice. Here, new. I'm going to call it that game. Oh no, I think game project. Let me see. I said I'm going to call it game project, I guess. Let me see. But I'm pretty certain. I said game project, yes. Description, making a 3D game in OpenGL C++ on YouTube. Nice. Public, add a readme, yes. License is just Apache license. Or is it? Yeah, I think. Okay. Don't worry about the readme for now. Okay, nice. Just do this. Where's the folder? It's here. Just do git, and let me close all of this junk. Git clone. Nice. Mr. Maxi is saying 100 with 10,000 out of, I don't know, I think 10 million. Yeah, I think. Yeah, thank you, I guess. Yeah. Just replace it and delete that folder and do git clone, not git clone, git add dot to add everything to git. Oh, wait, no. We need to do a git ignore dot git ignore like that. No. What the fuck? Just open it. We don't want this. We don't want. What do we not want? We don't want this. This. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. And again, get a dot. Yeah, okay, nice. A lot of warnings. I think the modders are very Why? Why all of these warnings? What the fuck? I think they're not bad. Whatever. Oh, I think the music is too loud. No, it's not. But for me, it's pretty loud. Let me see. Let me just... It's alright. Yeah. Why is it taking so long to upload things to Git? Like, So for the plan for today, I think it's just to make a renderer that is able to that is able to render more than one model at the same time, which technically we can do, but like it would be very weird, and we want the architecture for that. So that is pretty easy to do. And why is it taking like 10 months? What the fuck? Why? I think... Why isn't it adding it? Okay, let's play Snake while it's loading. Yo, no way. Still not loaded. Wow. Let's look at that. I did that. Cool, huh? Oh, loaded. Git commit dash m to Git, I guess. Perfect commit message. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, it is. Git push origin, and I swear probably it's going to not push it because it's too big. I think that's how it is. Save call. Dude, how long is this taking? I could technically like try to figure out how to... Oh, it works. Oh, nice. Worked. Okay, let me test if the repository is actually there. Game project. Yeah. Okay, let me clone it to test if it's actually working. Git tests. Git clone that. Yeah, and if you were in the stream last time, you probably noticed like in the beginning of the stream, there was like an interruption because I got a iPhone 11. That's pretty nice, and yeah, pretty happy with that. Happy, like a very good phone, and many more. What's up, bro? Glad to see you here. Oh, it worked. Let me see. Yeah, we do, like today we're doing like real renderer stuff and really coding the architecture of the renderer without even me thinking about it, how I'm going to do that. So on stream I'm going to document how I do it. So I have like no real plan how I'm going to do it, so I think that will be pretty nice. Yeah, let me just start the game to first see if it works. cause like that's not a git push. And second of all is show it to you what's up with the game, to the point what it can do. Yeah, nice. Fast error, but that's not something bad, I guess. We need we need that. The SMDL. It needs to. Yeah. Okay, so with left click you can now pull on off a torch. I think that's pretty nice, like a flashlight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice, huh? And there's like a directional light going on. Okay, nice. Now that the GitHub thing is figured out, we now need to really start with the renderer. Okay, I have a file called renderer already, but it's like just render mesh. Okay, so how am I going to do that? Let me see. We could obviously do it like that we could do. Okay, so I think the best thing that we could do is just make a private STD. Like, that's not very efficient, and we're probably going to change that a lot, but I just want to yeah, like I want to check if it's working or not with a lot of model. Outseed, what's up, bro? Glad to see you. Yeah, what's up? And Bray420, what's up? Very nice to see like a lot of people here. Yeah. Okay. Just models. So that's like the list of models we need to render, and then there's a inline, a void add model. Or let's don't make it inline. Okay, add model, which is just going to take the parameters we need for a model, which is position, scale, and file path, and no, okay. Position is just a, we need to include GLM for that. GLM. It's like a GLM vec3 position, and a GLM vec2 for the size, and a const std string for the file path, and a, by the way, is the code too small? Probably it is. And a bool no textures is equal to false. Okay, let's just implement that, and that's static obviously. And delete that garbage. Add models, just wait, don't delete that, just comment it out, because we probably need some of that code. Add model is just going to first, it's going to make a, is it going to make a std shared pointer? I guess it is going to. Yeah, that would make sense. But for that, where's the, like, the renderer? Where is it? Here? That needs to be a vector std shared pointer. Okay, and it's going to make a std shared pointer of model, which I'm going to call m, yeah, m, is equal to std make shared model position size no textures, and then m load model, file path, and then in models dot why? Oh, obviously it needs to be static. Models dot insert no dot in place back just in, and then we do render scene. For that we don't need like anything, I guess. Or do we? Maybe we need a shader. I think we need a shader, yeah. Let's just make the shader. I know this might be off topic, but would this game have a launcher for settings and updates? Yeah, that's actually not like a bad question, because it would actually make a lot of sense, obviously, and it's probably going to need a launcher. Like, I'm probably going to do that in C# or something, but yeah, actually, like, there's no way around it, so probably, yeah. Okay, I don't really want to make it a normal pointer. Let's make it a let's make it a shared pointer. Maybe a unique pointer, but I mean it's resources, so let's make it a shared pointer. Shader. And for that, let's make an init method. In which we are going to do that stuff. No. That stuff. And by the way, I think that what the fuck? That are not appropriate names. So let's do lamp. That's a fragment shader. Then fragment.jsl. Then model fragment.jsl. Model vertex.jsl. GSL. Okay, nice. Yeah, and then in the init method of the renderer, just do that. And shader should be obviously static. And that's just equal to std make shared. Can I do that? I can. Yeah, that's model vertex and model fragment, and that's just like the first glance of a real renderer. Maybe I will in the stream, which I'm probably going to do, is implement a ECS in the stream, because like I have time, and we actually probably need an ECS for a real renderer. But for now I just want to see if like bare metal stuff can work. Yeah, okay. That's pretty easy. And now, where's like the model rendering? Model render and that. And yeah. Yeah, that's all. And no. I think we need that as well. Yeah. Okay. where's the renderer again? It is here. Okay, now for really rendering, it's pretty easy. We just do for auto reference. Should I take it by reference? Don't know. Let's try it out. Do this. And view position is just we need application. Yeah, we have application. Just application. Get instance. Get no, it's game instance. Game player. Wow, that's so long. Wait. Dot. Game instance. Get player. Something like that. Let me see. Get instance. Get instance returns like that. Anupum Verma, probably butchered that. If not, that's cool. But hey, welcome to the stream. Yeah, welcome. I'm very confused. Get instance dot game instance. Game player. Get camera. And I think it's front. What is it? Makes sense. What are you working on? It's position. Makes sense that it's position. I am making a game that I'm going to release on Steam. Like, that's the plan. And now I'm working on the renderer, like the bare metal structure of a renderer, because I managed to get models loading, like 3D models, and what I want to do now is get multiple of them loading, which is kind of like a real renderer, but in the end I want to do it with ECS, and probably I'm going to do that in the stream as well. Yeah. Okay. Get position. And that's the same thing, I guess, here. Just with get view matrix. You got a team? Yeah, that's the problem. No, I don't. Actually, I'm definitely looking for a team, because like it would make things a lot easier, and yeah. So yeah, looking for one, but don't really have a team. Okay, like that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Can I join you? Like, would be very great. Like, obviously. Yeah, I guess. I think you need experience in coding. If you have that, it'd be pretty nice. Obviously, you could join, because yeah, would be like, it would make a lot of sense to do the thing. Last question, for people who want compile this code outside of Visual Studio. Yeah, that's another problem. How I'm going to fix that is just for Windows I'm going to do Visual Studio, and like for people who download it I'm going to for the installer it's going to install the Visual Studio binaries with itself, so you don't need Visual Studio, but still can compile Visual Studio code, because the Visual Studio redistributable will be installed. And for Linux, for example, it's just taking the code, pasting it in Visual Studio Code, and yeah, like doing compiling it on Linux and giving with the Linux installer just the Linux binary. that is going to be compiled with like Clang or GCC. And like for Mac, don't know if I'm going to release it on Mac. If yes, just compile it with Clang and Xcode or something. I think that's not a huge problem because for the moment I'm not using Windows specific or Linux specific or Mac specific things. So yeah, I think that's pretty nice. Okay, yeah, I put that out of the for loop because we don't need it in the for loop, and we can put that out as well. I think the view position, we don't need it in the for loop as well. We just need to. Okay, I think we do actually need that, but we don't need that. Okay, yeah, let's test it out. Go to the application and change a lot of things. Obviously, why did I put that away? That is dumb. Okay, and after investigate destructor, just delete the shader. And I don't really know why I have like a raw pointer in that, but I think it didn't work with normal pointers or something. I don't know, probably has a reason. Okay, and what the fuck, why did I delete so much? I don't want to delete that, just wanted to copy it and delete shader. Yeah, we don't need that, and we don't need model anymore. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Or do we need? Yeah, maybe we need that for the other things, but we do not need that. Yeah. And now instead of that, just we do just need to include the renderer. OpenGL. Like, why did I call it OpenGL? Oh god, why did I do that? Need to fix that as well, but it would take a lot of time. So yeah. It's just a renderer. First renderer in it. Why? Why? I'm including it. Oh, come on. Why did I call it render? Yeah, whatever. No. Render. Render. Nice. Okay. Initialize the renderer like before, yeah, like here, and then renderer add model. That, and instead of true, just that. Yeah. And that's it here then, rec 3. Yeah, nice. Okay. And then, here, or here I guess, it probably doesn't matter where, but here just renderer. Okay, if that works, like I'm Jesus, because it wouldn't make sense if it worked, because like code never works, as you can see. What? You listening? What if you mean what I'm listening? I'm listening to lo-fi music. But yeah. That should be like that. But what the fuck? I think it comes from the renderer. You can volunteer and contribute. I'm confused. Like to what? That's the question. Ah, where's the thing? Here. Position, size, no textures. Is that the right thing? Size is a GLMVec 3. Why? Ah, makes sense. Yeah, okay. Sorry for that. Oh, music? I'm confused with those questions. I was okay. Okay. Okay, I get it now. Okay. Yeah, okay, now I think now it should make sense. Like, obviously. Okay, we need to do that static stuff. We need it here. Okay, I think we can delete that now. It's not mmodus, it's render mmodus, and it's render and shader. Renderer. And the static is not there. And that's also not there. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we did not okay, obviously we need to do that. S equal to new shader, and then just that. I think it would make sense for now. No, okay. Let's just don't do it. Okay, that's the best thing we can do. Perfect. Fatal Link shader program. Can't open file. Shaders lamp. Ah, okay. Yeah, makes sense. That's not object.vert, it's model vertex, and that's lamp fragment. Lamp fragment. Oh, okay. I'm dumb. GSL. GSL. GLSL. GLSL. Okay. Okay. Like, most of the things didn't work. Like, the thing that I wanted to work didn't work, but yeah, whatever. Let's do one thing. Let's do like a lot of things. First, check that. Because I'm not sure with that. Yeah, okay. Then check that. That would make a lot of sense, but let's still do it. Cross coding does not make like a lot of sense. Oh. Okay, that somehow did work like a bit. Still not entirely, but a bit. Okay, the textures are not there. Okay. we set view pos 2 times, I guess. So I think we don't need to do that. Okay, let me see. View and view projection and view. Let me see something. I think that's older code. I think it's not. It's too old. For every model, we set the view position. We set view and projection here, like that. Makes sense, yeah. And we render after all of that, and we upload view and projection. Makes sense, makes sense. Okay, now what if we do like that? We don't do that, we don't have a shader here. Oh, we have a shader here, but we specify a shader. And then just shader is equal to shader instance. Yeah, what the fuck? Shader instance. Oh yeah. Well, let's make it a normal pointer. Because I think that was a problem with the shaders, that they don't work if they're shared pointers. Yeah, let's try that. That's a shader pointer. And then we have a static void shutdown, which just deletes the shader. Delete shader. And then we just do where's here we do shader. I think that would make sense. It doesn't. What the fuck? Ah, wait. No, don't wait, no. Cause no textures should be true, first of all. Yeah. Like, I'm the god of all things. Okay. No. Now, the hard part is like the cool part, I guess. That will be very cool, but first of all, we now do a very cool thing. For u32 I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I++. We do like a very cool thing. Player. No. I hate that button. Why? Okay, whatever. Citref, what's up again? Yeah, obviously I remember you from yesterday. Nice to see you here again. Very nice. Yeah, I'm doing a cool thing right now because I'm starting to work on the re-renderer and yeah. Okay, so now we do that's like 0, 0. Oh no, yeah, like that's 0, 0, and that's I, which is the cool part of it, and that's that can stay. Okay, that's tested. If it works, I would be pretty impressed, but it's it works. It's obviously very laggy because because they can't code. Like obviously it's laggy, like that it's obvious. For that we need instance rendering. But it, like, look at that. I mean it's an improvement, like you know, it's an improvement. Hello sir, what's up Stratton Trader? What's up bro? Glad to see you here. Can you make 3D animation? Obviously I need to do that sometime in the future, because like if it's a 3D game I obviously need to do that. But for now I think we need to mess with instance rendering. Never really did that, so let's test it. Yeah. Okay. Instance, like that's the whole thing of the stream. I don't know how to. Oh, nice. That's nice. Draw arrays, yeah, okay. Okay, we have the vertices, we have this. Oh, is it that easy? Okay, let's test something. We somehow... Okay. So, we need to do something that is like in that method here. Where is it? We check. Oh, my phone's ringing. Let me just be right back. Okay, yeah, I'm here again. Okay, it was very disturbing to my think process, but yeah, whatever. Okay, now we want to check if so SCD-find in like we want to find it in like mmodus dot begin and mmodus dot end. Yeah, but that doesn't work. Okay, let's do it like that. It's pretty time consuming, but whatever. We go through every model. And models. For every model we check if file path does not equal model dot does not equal Okay, we need something, which is just getting the file path. Where do we get it? Huh? Isn't there? Here, file path. Okay. We need a string. No, it's a constant char pointer. No, it's just a string. A string that we call file path. And here we do. No, not here. What the fuck? How do we get here? Here. We do file path is equal to file path. And then do inline void. But that's dumb. Because it's dumb. We need to do it like this. Load model. Okay, we need to do it like that. And load model is just going to take wait, we need this and file path, file path. It's just equal to file path. And in load model without the file path, where is it? Load model, we don't take in a file path and just replace everything where we use file path with file path, so that we can construct we can give the thing file path without loading the model, because the file path is a thing with which we compare the models that we want to load, and we check. No, not no, yeah, like that. Okay, and that's just file path here. And if file path not equal model get let's first call it m. Why isn't the function there? I think I did not make it. I didn't. Okay, inline std string get file path const return file path. Yeah, get file path. If that's not the same, we want to place it. And now yeah. Okay. Like, that's hard. That's actually hard. Because how? Oh god, that's hard. The thing is, how do we yeah, okay, how let's check how they do it. Just bind it. Okay, first let's do a inline static void draw draw instanced. Oh no, let's not do it like that. Let's just use raw OpenJQuery because yeah, it's unnecessary layer of abstraction. Okay, let's just do GAdraw instance. GAdraw arrays instanced. Oh, what? No. And the mode is GAtriangles. The first is 0. Count is. Yeah, what's the count? Where's model? No, mesh. Indices.size, yeah. I don't know how I should go do that. Cause it's hard. Like I'm pretty dumb actually in the moment. But yeah. Okay, for all rock meshes. Oh. Can we do that? I didn't know that we can. We can actually do that. So that's pretty easy. Oh. Let me like okay. Just do GAdraw elements instance. GAtriangles, the first count is this, type is unsigned int, indices, this many, just spoke German, what the fuck, instance count, yeah, that's a problem. Oh, God. What's the count? What do they use as count? It's amount. And what is amount? Yeah, we need to like find out what the amount is of meshes that we want to draw. And I think it would make sense to get count of meshes in model. Can I not get the? I can get the count, I guess, somehow. No meshes. Okay, that's actually pretty easy then. Instead of Where's the thing? Render. For each mesh, we want to do that. Where's? We want to render it, but we want to take that out, put it into model, and do mesh.val, mesh.indices.size, and just oh, we still don't have a number of meshes, because for that we need a node. Oh god. Can we not just... Oh god. We need to somehow get the number of meshes for a model. But that does not even make sense, what we are trying to do. Okay, what does make sense is, what the fuck did I just try? I'm very dumb. Okay. Let's stay focused. I was like very dumb. That's completely garbage. What the fuck? Now, don't do that shit. What the fuck? No. Please stop. Please stop. I don't want to see the error messages. We just do for each model that we want to like draw, we do that, and then just do draw instanced mode is triangles, first is 0, count is oh, the count is yeah. The count is the count of the indices of the model from like each mesh of the model, the indices count of that all combined. That's the count. And how do we get it? Just by where's model? Yeah, we need a std vector of 32, which is n indices, m total mesh indices, and m total mesh indices is just equal to indices. Yeah. Okay, then mesh we just in model, no, in renderer, we just need model dot yeah, obviously need to get it for that, and then that thing get total mesh indices const return total mesh indices. No. Why? Don't. Renderer get total mesh indices, and the instance count is Indian character. What's up, bro? Glad to see you here. Yeah, we just in the moment I'm working on like a bare minimum instance rendering structure of a renderer. Yeah. And obviously dot size. And here it's models dot size. Yeah, I guess. No, just model render with shader. You render the mesh here, which is calling the draw crawl, but that's bad. Don't actually want that. Want that. What do I make? In the moment I'm working on renderer for instanced rendering, like instanced rendering models, like 3D models. Yeah, and that's pretty hard because I did not make any sort of plan or something, so I need to figure that out for my own in the moment. Yeah. Okay, draw elements in draw elements instanced. Count is that, type is that, indices is 0, and instance count is yeah, that's a problem. Can we not just do that? Where's model? P meshes. Can we not like do a getter for the meshes? Inline std vector mesh get meshes const return and meshes. P meshes, and then just copy that, and where's the renderer? It's here. Do that. And that is just for auto mesh in model cat meshes. Like a double follow, I think that's not really a great idea. start to get all of the errors. Oh, yeah. That's file path. File path is just nothing. And then, yeah, that's that. That's that. That's that. That's that. That's that. Okay. Ah, yeah. Instance count is just model get total mesh indices dot size. That will be very inefficient, like very inefficient, and I have no idea why I made this. It doesn't even work. Oh god. Okay, that was definitely not a good idea to do that on stream without any plan. Like, I do want to get it to the state where it worked. Which was here somewhere. And for the model as well, I did a lot of unnecessary stuff. Counts the city string path. Okay, so I think the best idea would be, for now, is there okay. I'm confused. I'm very confused. Ah, yeah, that's not that, that's like that. And like that. Load model is with a string. Yeah. We don't need that. Okay, let's start. Obviously, let's look at the errors. M5 path, no, we don't need that. That's alright, I guess. It is. Okay, nice. Okay, now, like, there should be like 5 of that woman's. If they're not, it's bad. Okay, the question is why? Let's see, in the renderer, I'm confused. Okay, like that's the point where it was, I guess. And now we do that. But you don't see anything. And why? Because we don't draw. Yeah, wow. Let me just steal the draw call from somewhere else, because I don't want to write it out in the moment. Like, obviously, where's the draw call? It's here. Nice. I think it's GL binds vertex array. Yeah, and bind 0 and draw elements, triangles, count indices, that's size I guess, that makes sense. Type is length and int and 0 on my pointer. Like whatever. Yeah. Okay, like it's very laggy. Because that makes sense. Like it's should be laggy because like it's very not it's very bad written. The thing is, I want to like somehow get it to instance rendering, because if it's instanced rendered, I think we could get like 1,000 of them and it would be at 60 FPS if it's made good. And I want to make it good. I think the best thing would be to just do it off stream and think about how to do it. And yeah, I think that would be the best idea. Yeah, okay. So I think I'm going to end the stream now. I obviously going to upload the written code on GitHub so that you can look it up if you want. And yeah, like look at this, 45 megabytes used. That's not very good. But the mod is actually pretty nice. It's loads in perfectly. That's actually good. Okay, nice. Explain briefly, like the instance rendering thing, or what? If you mean that, yeah, what I'm going to do is, yeah, find any technique to do instant rendering, but good. So, yeah, like, if what instance rendering is just instead of rendering, like you can imagine it, ordering a pizza. Like instead of calling the Pizza Hut one time, say I want to order a pizza, then 500 times, because you want 500 pizza, instead of just calling it once and say, yeah, I want 500 pizza. You know, it makes more sense if you just like call once and instantly get 500 instead of calling 500 times. And yeah, to use framework than raw OpenGL. Yeah, obviously it's less work, that's true. Yeah, like what we could do, I actually know what we could do, but that's not very great. Yeah, no, I'm going to, like, I wanted to make it like that you put in positions, but yeah, whatever. I'm going to read articles and stuff and do it on GitHub, and yeah. Okay, Mr. McC. Yeah, casual memes, like the meme guy. Yeah, very nice model. I think it's pretty nice to testing and stuff. Okay, guys, now I think I'm going to end the stream. Yeah, I'm going to end the stream, definitely. Definitely I wish you a great